Bancor is going through the roof. Within less than 10 days, the price went up by 260%. Now, the reason for this rally might surprise you, because I do not think it's fundamentally driven. Because even though the total value locked on the Bancor protocol is 130 million, this is an absolute far cry to where it had been, 2.3 billion. We're getting a first hint of what's going on by going to CoinGecko, the markets tab, at perpetuals. Perpetual futures are derivative contracts that allow you to bet on rising or falling prices of a cryptocurrency, usually hosted by a centralized exchange. Now what we see here is that the market cap of Bancor is 216 million. But we also see quite a lot of open interest. That's now the value of the bets that are currently outstanding. We've got 50 million on 2bit, we've got 20 million on OKX, 2 million on KuCoin. The main player might not even be shown here. Look at the markets tab on CoinMarketCap. A lot of the trading volume is on Binance, 44%. Very little is being traded on Coinbase or on Kraken or in a decentralized manner here on Uniswap. And that makes sense. Look at who's owning a lot of those BNT tokens. Binance is over here, Binance is over here, OKX is over here. Now, why is that a problem? A large holding by centralized exchanges and an issuance of bets, of perpetual futures on those holdings. The issue is that the centralized exchanges can manipulate the price. Those market makers can manipulate the price. They can buy up more of the token, or they can dump the token altogether and do the exact opposite of what the majority of their customers are doing on the perpetual exchanges. So say you're the broker for sports bets, but you don't just offer to bet on team A or team B in a football match, for example. You don't just offer that, you also pay the referee, because you've got ownership in this game, right? You hold a lot of the tokens. You can decide in the end if things go according to team A or team B, if things go up or down. Binance has perpetual futures on BNT as well. And this is probably why we see all of this manipulation. As said, the native activity, the native total value locked on the Bancor protocol is a former shell of itself. It really crashed. It makes no sense that the price is pumping like this. This rally is very likely artificial. If you're betting on any direction here, you're basically betting against the best players in the market. You have the house against you. Some people might win, but the majority will lose. Some people call this the Burj Khalifa chart pattern. We have just seen exactly the same thing on the gas token. I also made a video on that. If you're betting on a rising price here, make sure to at least set a trailing stop loss. As the price goes up, you want to adjust your stop loss higher and higher, and then get out quickly as the momentum turns around. Don't just buy and hold this. It's too dangerous. Feel free to subscribe in case you haven't yet. There's also a Telegram group. Link is down below.